Picture a journey billions of miles away from the sun. The warmth fades, the light weakens. Out here, at the far edge of the solar system, the sun is no longer a source of life. It's just a distant spark, barely visible in an endless ocean of darkness. This is where we arrive, at the final boundary of our solar system. This is Neptune, a silent giant watching over the abyss. Unlike other planets, Neptune wasn't discovered by chance. No telescope found it first. Instead, it was predicted. For years, something unseen was disturbing the orbit of Uranus, a hidden force pulling from the darkness. Mathematicians followed the clues. Numbers led the way. And when astronomers finally looked, there it was, a deep blue world, hiding in plain sight for billions of years. Since that moment, Neptune has barely moved in human terms. It takes 165 Earth years to complete a single orbit around the Sun, meaning it has completed just one orbit since its discovery, a slow, silent journey through the coldest regions of space. From a distance, Neptune appears calm, smooth, peaceful, but that illusion doesn't last. Beneath those blue clouds lies one of the most violent environments in the solar system. Neptune holds a terrifying record. It has the fastest winds ever recorded on any planet. These winds don't just blow, they roar. Reaching speeds over 2,000 kilometers per hour, faster than the speed of sound. At those speeds, nothing survives. Not even sound itself can keep up. And yet, this raises a mystery. So far from the Sun, Neptune should be frozen and still, but it isn't. The planet actually releases more heat than it receives. Deep inside, something is generating energy. An unseen engine hidden beneath layers of gas and ice, fueling storms powerful enough to swallow entire worlds. In 1989, humanity witnessed one of these storms for the first time. When the Voyager 2 spacecraft flew past Neptune, it captured a massive dark vortex, a storm the size of Earth. It was named the Great Dark Spot, a swirling abyss in the atmosphere. But years later, it vanished, gone, only for similar storms to appear again in completely different locations. Unlike storms on Jupiter, Neptune's storms don't last forever. They form, they move, they disappear, like ghosts in the sky. Unpredictable, unstable, alive. As we descend deeper into Neptune's atmosphere, the pressure increases rapidly. The environment becomes unbearable, crushing. Thousands of kilometers below the clouds, something extraordinary happens. Under immense pressure, carbon atoms are forced together, transforming into something else. Diamonds. Scientists believe that deep within Neptune, it literally rains diamonds. Solid crystals forming and falling through layers of superheated liquid. A storm of precious stones in a world where nothing can be touched. But even that isn't the end of Neptune's strangeness. The planet's magnetic field behaves in ways that defy expectation. On Earth, magnetic fields are stable and aligned, but here, everything is tilted, off-center, distorted, as if the planet's core itself is unstable. This creates a chaotic magnetic environment, interacting with space in unpredictable ways. But Neptune is not just a planet of extremes. It is also a captor. Its largest moon, Triton, did not form here. It was captured, pulled in from the distant reaches of the solar system. Triton is a frozen world covered in ice. Cold beyond imagination. And yet, it is geologically active. Geysers erupt from its surface. Ice volcanoes push material into space. But Triton's fate is sealed. It orbits Neptune in the wrong direction. Slowly, inevitably, it is spiraling closer. One day, Neptune's gravity will tear it apart, breaking it into fragments, creating a vast ring system around the planet, a crown of debris, marking the destruction of a captured world. Beyond Neptune, there is almost nothing. No major planets, no familiar landmarks, only the endless darkness of interstellar space. Neptune stands as the final boundary, the last giant before the void, a reminder of how extreme the universe can be, a place of violent winds, crushing pressure, and silent, endless cold. At the edge of everything we know, there is no safety, no warmth, no escape. Only the abyss.